To set up your Vive ProFlex Strap, start by unstrapping the foot strap. Then, using both hands, pull outwards to create a wide enough loop for your foot. Secure the foot strap and be sure to test for a proper fit. For single and double-handed motion, attach the main straps together, both at the top and bottom, using the included hook and loop straps provided. Place your foot inside the foot loop and secure it in place. Then, using the padded handles, guide your foot from one position to another. Be sure that your foot is securely in place before removing the ProFlex strap. Vive Health. Let's live better.